Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to set Chrome browser to always open closed tabs or previous window. So if you also want to set Chrome browser to always open closed tabs or previous window, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for settings. Once you find it, simply click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the Chrome settings interface. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. At left, you'll be able to find the options like you and Google, autofill and passwords, privacy and security, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for on startup. Once you find it, simply click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find three options. Open the new tab page, continue where you left off, open a specific page or set of pages. Over here, what you have to do is select the second option, continue where you left off. Simply click on this option. Now after that, simply go back. Now the settings will be saved. Now after that, the closed tabs or previous window will always open up whenever you open the Chrome browser. So that is how you set Chrome browser to always open closed tabs or previous window. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.